Hello everyone, I'm Akash, founder and director of Prime Minister of Mathematics, Amravati. In today's video, we will solve a question on general aptitude from TIFR 2018 exam. Question is, suppose P is a degree 3 polynomial such that P of 0 equals to 1, P of 1 equals to 2 and P of 2 equals to 5, then which of the following numbers cannot be equals to P of 3? And these are the given options. Before going to the solution, there is an announcement that we are soon going to start our new batch for TIFR 2025 exam. The batch will be online. For more details, you can WhatsApp us on the below number. So let's begin the solution. We have given that P is a degree 3 polynomial. So it must be of form P of x equals to ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d for some a not equals to 0. Why a not equals to 0? Because if a equals to 0, then it cannot be a degree 3 polynomial, and we have given that p is a degree 3 polynomial. That's why the coefficient a must be non-zero. Okay. Now we will use the condition p of 0 equals to 1. Given that p of 0 equals to 1, so this implies just substitute x equals to 0 in above, we get a times 0 cube plus b times 0 square plus c times 0. So all these three terms will become 0, and 0 plus d is nothing but d. And so we get d equals to 1. So p of 0 equals to 1 gives the value of d, and which is 1. Now we will use p of 1 equals to 2. Just substitute x equals to 1 in above. We get a plus b plus c plus d. The value of d is 1, which is equals to 2. So this implies a plus b plus c equals to 1. Okay. Give this as equation first. Okay. Now we will use value p of 2 equals to 5. This implies just substitute x equals to 2 here. So a times 2 cube, that is 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d, value of d is 1, equals to 5, and that implies 8a plus 4b plus 2c equals to 4, and this again implies 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 2. Give this as equation 2. Now we have to find out which of the following numbers cannot be equals to p of 3. Okay. So we can verify one by one. So let's suppose that p of 3 equals to 10. Let's suppose that the value of p of 3 equals to 10. Okay. If p of 3 equals to 10, then what? Just substitute value x equals to 3 here. We get a times 3 cube, b times 3 square, that is 27a plus 9b plus thrice c plus the value of d, which is 1, equals to 10. Okay, and on simplifying we get 27a plus 9b plus thrice c equals to 9. On division by 3 we get 9a plus thrice b plus c equals to 3. Okay, give this as equation 3. Now we have three linear equations in three variables. That is, it is a system of three linear equations in three variables. So we can use the linear algebra matrices to solve this system of linear equation, or we can just directly solve this system of equation by usual calculation, by usual method. So overall target is we have to find out the values of a, b and c. The unknowns, we have to find out the values of unknowns a, b and c. So let us use the usual method. Okay. So we have three equations. So let us use the equation 2 and 3 first. So 3 minus 2, that is subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, we get 9a minus 4a, that is 5a, thrice b minus 2b, that is b, c minus c, that is 0, okay, equals to 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay. This give this as equation 4. Now we will use equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We get 4a minus a, that is 3a, 2b minus b, that is b, and c minus c, which is 0, and 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Give this as equation 5. And subtracting this equation 4 and 5, we get 2a equals to 0. That implies a equals to 0, which is a contradiction. Why? Because by given condition, we must have a not equals to 0. Okay. Why? Because p is a degree 3 polynomial. So this coefficient, that is a, cannot be equals to 0. But here, after solving this system of equation, we get a equals to 0, which is a contradiction. So our assumption that p of 3 equals to 10 must be wrong. So p of 3 cannot be equals to 10. So the correct answer to this question is option D. You can discard other options just by considering p of 3 equals to 0, p of 3 equals to 2, and p of 3 equals to 6. You get similar type of system of linear equation. When you solve those systems, you will find out that the value of a is non-zero in those systems. Okay, and but here we get a equals to 0, and which gives contradiction. So the correct option is option D. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.